I am capable of overcoming any money obstacles that stand in my way. I boldly conquer my money goals. I am the master of my wealth. I can handle large sums of money. I am an excellent money manager. I believe money is important. I know that money is freedom. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I always have more money coming in than going out. My income is always higher than my expenses. I enjoy managing and investing my money. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I am wealthy and living on my own terms. Money is a tool that can change my life for the better. I control money. Money doesn't control me. I am a capable person that can tackle all money obstacles. I have the power to be a financially successful person. I have the power to improve my relationship with money. I can find the positive in my money situation. I believe in my ability to use the money that comes into my life to meet my financial goals. It is within my power to create a successful financial future. With hard work, I can build the financial future that I desire. I have the discipline to make hard financial choices now to enjoy an easier life later on. I am in control of my spending. My debt doesn't control me, I manage it. Making choices to build wealth today can allow me to create the life I desire. I have the ability to learn how to manage my money better. I am excited to keep my finances on the right path. My actions perpetuate a life of prosperity. I can track my expenses and stick to a budget. can make my dreams a reality with careful budgeting. I am passionate about building wealth and recognize all the value that it brings to my life. I am capable of managing large sums of money. I am responsible with money and manage it wisely. I am successful with money. I am one step closer to my financial goals. Financial success belongs to me, and I accept it now. Every action I take will plant the seeds for wealth. I make wise financial decisions and trust my process. I am ready to make my financial goals and dreams a reality. I am excited to start and establish my money-making goals. I am a successful money saver. I reclaim my money power. I choose to be organized and responsible with money. No matter how I feel or what I do, money gets to be easy. Being rich is a part of who I am. Money is a tool, and I am going to learn to use it well. I am in control of my financial life. I overcome all obstacles that lie in my way of financial success. I will be debt-free. I have the power to make it happen. My future self will thank me for saving money today. My savings will continue to grow, and I will be financially secure. I will build an emergency fund to safeguard myself. I enjoy the challenge of saving more money. Every dollar saved puts me closer to financial freedom.